Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Mukesh Ambani.
A warm good evening to all the guests. Most respected Narendra Bhai, Maulik Bhai, Bharat Bhai. This is Mara Mate, one of the most memorable and special evenings. It is truly a special evening. Being honored at your home is truly emotional, and I am grateful to Chitralekha, Maulik Bhai, to you, Bharat Bhai, and the entire Chitralekha family for this honor. Thank you very much. It's also special because my mother is here, and she has, along with Papa, brought me up, and it's an occasion for me to pay my respects, to seek her blessings going forward, and to thank her for everything that she has done for me in my life. At our house, I am used to Chitralekha from જ્યારથી હું 5-6 વર્ષનો હતો, કારણ કે મમ્મી ચિત્રલેખા સૌથી વધારે વાંચે, અને I still remember maybe 5-7 years after, like when I was 14-15, I said, Chitralekha શું છે? તો she and Papa at that time explained કે જે તમે ઇંગ્લિશમાં ટાઈમ અને ન્યૂઝવીક વાંચો ને, એવી રીતે અમારી માટે ચિત્રલેખા. This was her talking. So this is also very, very special to receive and to be recognized from Narendra Bhai, whom I respect deeply. And I respect deeply Narendra Bhai because he is a person who believes in action. And many times we've talked, and he's always matched my thought process that Mukesh, આપણે કરીને બતાવી દે. વાતો અને ભાષણ તો બહુ બધા આપે. ઓફકોર્સ નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મારા કરતાં તો સારું ભાષણ આપી શકે, બટ his bias to action is something that India needs. Bias to convert everything into action. Of course, we have grown up from Gujarat, and one instance comes to my mind કે એકવાર નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મને ફોન કર્યો કે મુકેશભાઈ, આપણે વી મસ્ટ ટેક ઓવર ધી પેટ્રોલિયમ યુનિવર્સિટી ઇન ગુજરાત. તો આઈ સેડ, નરેન્દ્રભાઈ, આ ગવર્મેન્ટનું કામ આપણને બહુ ફાવે નહીં, તો બાય એન્ડ લાર્જ ધીસ ઇઝ અ ગવર્મેન્ટ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ. ના, તમે મારી સાથે વાત કરજો ને ફોન ઉપર, લાઈક, બટ આ કરવાનું છે. એકવાર નરેન્દ્રભાઈ કે કરવાનું છે, એટલે વી સ્ટાર્ટેડ ઇન રાઇટ અર્નેસ્ટ. એન્ડ a few weeks, the normal bureaucratic board meetings and everything else started. And I phoned Narendra Bhai, and I told him that if we really want to convert this to a world-class education institution, then it is very important that we have the right flexibility, we have the right collaboration, particularly in knowledge with the best universities in the world, and we have more space, and we plan it so that it really becomes a world-class university. His action on the phone was instantaneous. થઈ જશે. અને the next day I got a call. So in that sense, I always pride myself that I run Reliance efficiently, but I have seen him running Gujarat more efficiently than Reliance. So Narendra Bhai, it is really honor, and for me that is why this is a special evening. I accept this recognition, Maulik Bhai, as a tribute to my father, Shri Dhiru Bhai. And as Narendra Bhai said, he is the sole reason and he is the purpose for me being what I am today. And I have to accept tribute to Dhiru Bhai. I have been fortunate to be working under him from when Reliance, this first public issue in the late 70s. And at that time, that public issue size hati 9 crore rupiah. It was 7.5 crore rupiah, pachi oversubscription thi 9 crore rupiah, and we worked hand in hand. And this is our 30th year, and it has been a journey where always Dhiru Bhai will be my leader, and if I just implement what he had envisioned, I think that Reliance has still another 50 years of work. Today in that journey, yes, we have come from that initial $2 million to over the $100 billion mark, something that he had always wanted to achieve. And in doing so, we have ensured that Reliance today has more than 100,000 people, and our average age is 30. The unique growth story in India is all through the 80s, 90s, 2000, and now nearing 2010, the average age of Reliance has always been 30. And this is our faith in the youth of India. We at Reliance are very passionate, as Narendra Bhai talked about the transformation of the rural sector. And I really think that India today is a historic growth opportunity. It's an opportunity where we can transform the rural landscape. We can transform lives of tens of millions of our brothers who are not so well-to-do, but we can give them a quality of life that is acceptable in the coming decade. And we can find India its rightful place in the world, and make sure that not only the world respects us, but the world emulates us in terms of our developmental model. I have great faith in the young people of India. India is a young country, and I believe that these young people will convert this dream of really transforming India into a reality. A lot of people say that India is a country of 1 billion problems. I believe India today is a country of 1 billion opportunities. The young people at Reliance have inherited from their founder Dhiru Bhai the courage to dream big and convert it into reality. And I dedicate this honor today to the indomitable spirit of Dhirubhai Ambani, the indomitable spirit that India can do it, India will do it, and I commit to all of you that I will work to build a very strong and prosperous Gujarat and India.